Okay, I finally got these problems done last night. Hopefully this gets it to you quick enough. I'm just going to stop and pause between each problem's work. The key thing I want to remind you is very important. You have your unit circle. Hopefully you have even the tangent ratios marked on it. If I make any mistakes, I apologize, but basically I worked out each problem. Hopefully there's no silly mistakes. So here we go. Basically, each problem, you're always going to use U substitution, as I call it. So because this has signs in it, I'm going to let U be sine theta. And then this becomes U. This becomes U squared. If you look right here, I added the square root of 2U squared to each side. And then here, I'm able to factor it. And from there, I use the zero-sum property to solve for each one. And that's the same process I basically did for each one. So here's number one. Now, once I know that U could be 0, then theta has to be either 0 or pi, because the sine of 0 is 0 and the sine of pi is 0, right? And then for negative square root 2 over 2, if sine equals that, I know that this tells me a 45 or pi over 4. But remember, where is sine negative? That's where you go to your unit circle and you go, sine is like y, so it's negative here and here, right? Third and fourth quadrants. So that's how I came up with 5 pi and 7 pi over 4. So that's number one. Now, the rest of the problems, I'm just going to show the work, and you just got to let me know if you have any questions, okay? Just email me, and I'll explain it better, but I got to start class soon, so I want to get this out to you. So here's number 2. Notice we let U be cosine theta this time. And again, use your unit circle there, right? To find the answers. Okay, here's number 3. This time I let U be tangent theta. So make sure you have these ratios like square root 3 over 3 on your unit circle, okay? And here's the finished answers for number 3. Tangent is negative in the second and fourth quadrants, right? Here's number 4. Here's number 5. And here's 6. Now the trick on 6 was that one, I had to basically say that tangent was sine over cosine. And then at this point here, I said, you know what? I don't like that fraction anymore. Here, it's simplified nicely, right? So I times everything by cosine. And then from there, as you can see right here, I got everything together equal to 0, and I was able to factor out the sine. And that's how I was able to solve the sine and the cosine separately. But that should be it. I hope it helps you. Just let me know if you have any questions.